with different denominators using butterfly method. Different denominators are dissimilar fraction. Okay, so first, we will make the denominator the same. So let's copy the fraction. So 3/4 minus 5/9. So we'll make this denominator the same through butterfly method. Okay, so 3 times 9, 27. 27. 5 times 4, 20. And then 4 times 9, 36. So the denominator is 36. So they are now similar fractions. And then let's copy the whole number. 3 and 1. And then let's subtract the whole number. 3 minus 1, 2. And subtract the numerators. 27 minus 20, 7. And then copy the denominator, 36. So your answer is 2 and 7/36. Correct?